Hi everyone, welcome to Mahallo Tarot. How are you all doing? Hope you are fit and fine. This video is being recorded as the daily tarot reading for the day 7th June 2024, Friday, for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. Please note that I shuffle the cards very well even before recording each and every video. I humbly request to each and every viewers of my video to post your feedback as comments. Otherwise, I won't be able to know whether this reading resonated with you or not. Also, kindly like, share and subscribe to help our channel Mahallo Tarot to grow. Let's get to the reading. How will be the day 7th June 2024, Friday, for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and North Node. Sagittarius have got the card 2 of Pentacles for the day 7th June 2024, Friday. Some Sagittarians could be trying to have work-life balance. You may feel exhausted due to juggling multiple things at a time. Some need to prioritize things that are more important to you. Some may have a decision to make between an existing job and a new job. Some of you wants to start a new venture. However, you may have doubts about the risk involved in leaving a secure job. Some are finding it hard to meet your expenses, and this financial struggle could be a temporary issue. Some of you may have to make important choices in money matters, which could make you feel a bit worried. You need to go with the flow and you will be able to get through it. Keeping a relationship intact may pose a challenge for some individuals. Some Sagittarians need to decide regarding the future of the existing relationship. Some singles might be contemplating whether to welcome someone into your life or not. Some of you may be dealing with a Taurus or Virgo or Capricorn. Or you could be having any of these signs in your natal chart. Take only what resonates. Thank you for watching Mahallo Tarot.